Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we have a big one. A couple of big ones. Let's go! Okay, so as you can see, we have one big box in front of us. We've been doing some cleaning through the holidays, and you can see here my glass cabinet of Heroclix and other stuff is a bit vacant. Okay, so and I plan to put this one in that space. Okay, so this one is the DC Collectibles Harley Quinn 25th anniversary. And you can see all her glory. Okay, so an image in the front, DC Bombshells Deluxe Edition. If I'm not mistaken, I got this in one of the toy conventions locally here in the Philippines. I've had this for over a year now, but haven't really got the chance to open it because, again, of the lack of space. So I'm happy that I'll be able to open this beaut of a Harley Quinn bombshell. This also, at the back, you would see some of the other figures or statues, I would say, that you can collect from the bombshell line. We have Aquaman here and Vixen. So we already have Vixen, but we're a bit hesitant to get male bombshell figures. And you can see here, this particular statue measures approximately 14-inch high. And yeah, it is designed by Aunt Lucia. Let me zoom in. Aunt Lucia and sculpted by Tim Miller. Okay, so, and one of the premier bombshells is, of course, Harley Quinn, although our favorite will always be the bombshell Zatanna. Okay, so anyway, so, but this is a Heroclix channel, so before we open this statue, we have to look at a related Heroclix figure. And it just so happens, or I would say, we have collected all the bombshells in Heroclix format. So we have, of course, Harley Quinn herself. Boom. Okay, so she is standing on a bombshell, literal bomb, with the bombshell label, and of course with a gun and that crazy jacket, aviator jacket. Okay, so you can see there, that's the Joker face at the back of that jacket. Okay, so this is similar to the sculpt that we're gonna get from the statue later on, but let's take a look at her card. So Harley Quinn is from the Harley Quinn Gotham Girls set number 017, an uncommon. Doesn't seem to focus. Okay, but let me just read to you guys. Keywords are bombshells and Gotham City. Real name is Harley Quinzel. Okay. Okay. There you go. I probably have to move it a little bit closer. Okay. Focus. And it does that. There you go. A little focused. So, she has a trait, bombshell. When Harley Quinn makes an attack targeting an opposing character, give her a bombshell token. Free if she has 2 action tokens. Remove 2 bombshell tokens. Then make a close attack. Okay, any free attack, okay, is good, even though it's close. And a special movement power, riding the bomb, which is charge and the flight ability. So she's a straightforward character. 12 movement though, and perplex, senses quake on the top dial. 4 range, 75 points. DC Bombshells number 4, 2016 is a significant appearance. I would love them to have a legacy card for this Harley Quinn and the rest of the bombshells because I really like this bombshell line. Okay, they're actually the only line I collect for DC. So please, 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 WizKids, if you're watching this, or any of you WizKids people, personnel watching this, in the next DC set, look at the bombshells because they are one of the better sculpts or great sculpts in Heroclix, in my honest opinion. So anyway, let's just go ahead and open the statue. I might move this recording on the floor because we're doing a statue and we want to keep it safe and grounded. Okay, so switch to the floor. We are on the floor, and as I said, we're gonna open up this DC Bombshells Harley Quinn. Okay, so I have most of the DC Bombshell statues. Okay, I think I'm missing the Green Lantern because she's expensive. Okay, and it's a bit troublesome to ship her because of all the possible breakable parts. Okay, so but this one, Harley Quinn, I'm lucky to be able to bump into her in one of the local toy cons. Okay, although I had to negotiate for the pricing, but she still came at I would say higher than the other bombshells. Okay, which is expected because she is a deluxe figure and hopefully it will be worth it. By the way, this is limited edition 5,000. This is 1,334 of 5,000. Okay, so let's see what we have. Oops, this is the bottom. Okay, so we have here a bit of the instructions on how to set it up. I don't know if this is the same. This is not the figure, so anyway, we'll put it on the side. So we'll open it from the top. So switching it out, it's open already. Okay, I think we checked it out a little just to make sure that everything is in order. Okay, so opening it up, and we have, ooh, okay, so we have here the bombshell. Okay, so the bombshell that she is standing on. Okay, so this gives a smoke effect. Okay. Interesting. There you go. Gotham or bust. Okay, so we'll put that on the side here. She doesn't have a nameplate compared to other bombshells. Okay, but there she is. Harley Quinn. Okay, in all her glory. So have to be extra careful. I don't want to mess up this figure. Okay, so the hair is all good. Piston with a Batman keychain on the gun. So cute. Okay. And then the arms is missing because it's on that rocket. Okay, and that's what really pulled me into collecting the bombshells. Although this one, it's a bit dirty. I don't know if I can clean it, but I'll keep it as is for now. You have a card there, the Joker card. Okay, so yellowish on some parts. Okay, and the bombshell, the aviator jacket. Okay, so overall, again, I'm happy with it. I know this is an old series figure or statue, so I don't expect it to be pristine, but it is what it is. I'll try to look up how to clean or make those yellows again. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That's the Harley Quinn statue. Let me check the box if I missed anything. No. And okay, there seems to be, I don't know if it's missing some things on the hand, but let me show you the Harley Quinn in its complete form. Okay, so it's gonna go to my display case. Happy to have her, probably up until a couple of months before I change it again. Ooh. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, bye-bye.